Okay, YouTube, so today we'll be singing an activity song that can be used for kindergarten and grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, go straight up to grade 6. Yeah, it's a very, very simple song, and it's an activity song that gets children engaged in keeping the place tidy and picking up their books and picking up their papers and putting them where they are supposed to go. So it goes like this. I'm gonna say it and I'm gonna sing it for you. So it's bits of paper, bits of paper, line on the ground, line it on the ground. Make the place look tidy, make the place look tidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Now what I'm gonna be doing for you, I'm gonna sing it for you on a rhythm and let us see what it sounds like. Okay? Bits of paper, lying on the ground, lying on the ground. Make the place look tidy, make the place look tidy. Pick them up. Bits of paper, lying on the ground, lying on the ground. Make the place look tidy, make the place look tidy. Pick them up. Of course, you know that while you're doing your activity song, you're going to ensure that discipline is maintained. So children should know that they're not going to be too rowdy or blow things out of proportion. They're going to hardly take up what they are supposed to take up and put it in the correct place.